In the realm of industrial automation, the integration of advanced technologies has profoundly transformed various sectors, including the tobacco industry. Let's dive into a compelling example involving a European engineering firm that revolutionized efficiency for a Far Eastern client. This project harnessed cutting-edge components from a leading automation technology provider, illustrating the global impact of industrial automation solutions. Initially starting with manual machinery, this firm evolved into a global competence center, offering comprehensive industrial solutions worldwide. Central to this transformation are programmable logic controllers, or PLCs, which are pivotal in automating industrial processes. In this project, PLCs were programmed using the TIA Portal, a sophisticated software tool for automation engineering. This system's integration of Siemens components underscores the significance of reliable hardware in industrial automation. The concept of industrial automation, involving control systems and information technologies, leads to heightened efficiency and productivity. PLC programming, a critical aspect of this automation, requires a deep understanding of both hardware and software. This project exemplifies how industrial automation continues to advance, driven by innovation and excellence. And here's why that matters. At the heart of industrial automation lies the programmable logic controller, or PLC. Think of a PLC as the brain of the operation, a specialized computer designed for the automation of industrial processes. It's critical in ensuring precise control and coordination of various industrial operations. In our project, PLCs were programmed using the TIA Portal, a comprehensive software tool for engineering automation projects. This software allows engineers to configure, program, test, and maintain automation systems efficiently. The PLCs we used are integral to the system's functionality, providing the necessary control and coordination for the machinery involved. Understanding PLCs and their programming is essential for anyone looking to delve into industrial automation. Central to this transformation is the TIA Portal, a robust software tool designed for engineering automation projects. The TIA Portal enables engineers to configure, program, test, and maintain automation systems with unparalleled efficiency. It supports a wide range of applications, from simple machine controls to complex production lines. Imagine a digital workspace where every parameter, every setting, and every connection is meticulously laid out. This is the TIA Portal. You understand, it's not just about writing code, it's about orchestrating a symphony of industrial processes. The TIA Portal allows you to dive deep into the PLC programming, offering an intuitive interface to manage everything from I/O configuration to advanced motion control. Here is the exact logic. You start by defining your hardware configuration, then move on to programming your PLCs using ladder logic, function blocks, or structured text. The trick is to leverage the built-in libraries and templates to speed up development. Write this down. Set your project properties correctly to avoid common pitfalls. The parameter you need is project, greater than properties, greater than configuration. This ensures that your project aligns with the specific requirements of your automation task. And here's why that matters. Proper configuration reduces development time and enhances system reliability. And here's why that matters. The integration of Siemens components within the system highlights the importance of reliable and high-performance hardware in industrial automation. Siemens is renowned for its robust and innovative automation solutions, which are widely used across various industries for their reliability and efficiency. In this project, Siemens PLCs, specifically the S7-1500 series, were employed due to their advanced processing capabilities and extensive communication options. These PLCs were programmed using the TIA Portal, allowing for efficient configuration, programming, testing, and maintenance of the automation system. The choice of Siemens components ensures not only precision and control but also scalability and future-proofing of the system. This is critical in an industry like tobacco, where efficiency and consistency are paramount. So, when you're selecting components for your next automation project, consider the long-term benefits of using industry-leading hardware like Siemens. And here's why that matters. The integration of industrial automation, particularly in sectors like the tobacco industry, brings unparalleled efficiency and productivity gains. By leveraging programmable logic controllers, or PLCs, we achieve precise control over industrial processes. This minimizes human error and optimizes cycle times. The TIA Portal, used for programming these PLCs, ensures that every component works in harmony, from simple machine controls to intricate production lines. Siemens components, renowned for their reliability, further enhance system performance. The result? A streamlined operation where every part of the production line works in sync, leading to increased output and reduced costs. This is the power of industrial automation, transforming traditional processes into highly efficient, automated systems. To ensure smooth operations in PLC programming, precision is key. Imagine your PLC as the central nervous system of your industrial setup. Every instruction you program must be crystal clear. For instance, when setting up a loop, specify the exact number of iterations. If you're dealing with a conveyor belt, define the speed in precise units, such as meters per second. Remember, the TIA Portal allows you to configure these parameters with high accuracy. Use the network view to visualize the data flow and ensure there are no bottlenecks. For error handling, implement robust exception management. This means using structured error handling blocks to catch and log any anomalies. Also, consider the use of watchdog timers to reset the PLC in case of a hang-up. These practices not only enhance efficiency but also ensure that your system remains reliable under varying conditions. By mastering these nuances, you'll be able to program PLCs that operate flawlessly, minimizing downtime and maximizing productivity.